Hello, I'm Timothy from MyFavorite, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a backflip today. So first, you need to know how to do a backflip. Just sit down, you go to your back, and then you go over your head. You can use your hands as well. You can do it faster. Then, you want to know how to land on your back. So you jump, and on your back, and get up. Then, after that, you need to do a backflip from your back. So you jump, on your back, and back. So to do that, you land with your back kind of curved, and you land your butt first. You can do it with your back all flat, but that's harder. So this is with my back. If you curve your back, it just goes easily. Okay, so then, once you can do that, so there's people that will do it to the side, like this. Once you can do it straight back, like this, then the next step is to go for the backflip. So once you feel confident enough, you jump up, and then you tuck. And you can put your hands if you want, if you don't feel safe. You can jump and put your hands in case you land on your head, then you'll land on your hands. And then, so you can do like a back handflip like this. And then you do a backflip. So you jump with your hands up, like this. And then you tuck, but a wide tuck. It's like this. Okay. You do the back. Or you can start jumping before you do it. That was how to do a backflip by Timothy from MyFavorite. Bye.